Meaning of exactly.
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 Exactly. Exactly is an adverb that means something is precise or accurate in terms of details, amount, or time. It indicates there is no room for interpretation or error, and that the thing being referred to is spot on or fully aligned with expectations. This word emphasizes extreme precision and certainty, often implying a need for clarity or specificity in communication or action. Its usage can convey a sense of urgency, importance, or emphasis on accuracy. Overall, exactly is a powerful word that helps ensure precision and accuracy in communication and decision-making.